What's up, guys? My name is Imran, and welcome to very first episode of hashtag Ask My Doctor. And yes, you will see this hanging around this video because I'm using this mic for my audio क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ है और मेरा घर थोड़ा रोड के लग के है इसके लिए really sorry for any audio glitch. And yes, welcome to another episode of Doctor, and this is going to be Q&A as I promised, but uploaded late. Sorry. Yes, sorry. So I asked you people to post your questions by using hashtag Ask My Doctor. So I got around 30-40 questions and I'll be answering those questions from here. Let's start with this first episode of hashtag Ask My Doctor. Ahmad 786 Khan, and he asks hashtag Ask My Doctor plan preparation about FMGE and subjects to be covered before coming back to India. Okay, while coming back to India, you have to be ready with your basics. Basics mean your anatomy, your biochemistry, your physiology, your pathology, your pharmacology. These 5 subjects are very important, very important for your MCI screening test, because if you have very basic concepts of these 5 subjects in your head, so it will be easier for you to move further to clinical subjects, which will be there is a castle in the air and you just have to lay foundation. So your basic, these 5 subjects is the foundation and castle is clinical subjects. तो पहले आप लोगों को ये 5 सब्जेक्ट्स पे फोकस करना होगा इफ़ यू आर रियली वांट टू स्कोर वेरी गुड इन MCI screening test. So after doing these 5 subjects, approach the clinical subjects. Don't go for medicine and surgery because it is very big subject. If you will do these 5 subjects very well, then your surgery and medicine will become more easier, since all medicines and surgery content is from basics. The only different thing is clinical part, like signs and symptoms. If you understand your physiology, if you understand your biochemistry, if you understand your anatomy, if you understand your pharmacology, you will easily get your medicine and surgery in your head. Okay, question number 2 asked by Sumit Milin Navarkar. What I must do in my graduate period that will help me for MCI? Okay, first of all, let me tell you about my USMLE, which I did in my graduate period. So what I did was, first I wrote the university timetable, which I had like every cycle. I wrote on one page, and I tick marked the cycle which is not so strict. The only during my period, the only polyclinic cycle was very tough, and pharmacology, clinical pharmacology was kind of strict teacher. Even though you know the topics, some teachers tend to trouble you during your semester. So I make sure कि वो टाइम पे मेरा सारा चीज़ स्टेबल रहे. स्टेबल इन द सेंस कि मैंने टॉपिक क्लियर किया है, मैंने सारे टेस्ट क्लियर किया है वो साइकिल के. तो जो साइकिल जिसमें इतना स्ट्रिक्टनेस नहीं था, जो टीचर्स बहुत लीनियंट थे, या फिर वो सब्जेक्ट इतना इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं था सेमेस्टर के लिए, तो इस वो साइकिल में मैं ज़्यादा करके अपना USMLE की पढ़ाई करता था, और जो टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट था वो टाइम पे रिवीजन करता था. सो बेसिकली ड्यूरिंग योर ग्रेजुएट पीरियड यू हैव टू बी फोकस ऑन योर बेसिक सब्जेक्ट्स. अगर आपने कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ाई किया है आपने पूरे 6 साल, तो ये 5 सब्जेक्ट कम से कम करके आ जाओ वहाँ से, तो आप सफल रहोगे. एंड इफ़ यू ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड योर बेसिक सब्जेक्ट्स, सो अप्रोच क्लिनिकल सब्जेक्ट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, आफ्टर फिनिशिंग योर दीज 5 सब्जेक्ट्स, jump to microbiology. Microbiology which will help you in infectious disorders. Jump to ENT, jump to ophthalmology, jump to trauma, jump to surgery, jump to medicine. Okay, KSHLGTM asks hashtag Ask My Doctor. Did you started preparing from your first year onwards? How to take early start from first year? We didn't get time on our first second year classes due to hectic schedule. How to manage time between regular classes and preparing for MCI? Okay, first of all, did I started from first year? No. How to take early start from first year? Okay, if you really want to start from your first year, तो जो फर्स्ट ईयर के सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, जैसे इन रशिया फर्स्ट ईयर में होते हैं बायोलॉजी, बहुत बेसिक, बहुत फालतू सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं. बायोलॉजी फर्स्ट ईयर में पढ़ाते हैं, जो कि हम लोग ऑलरेडी 12th में पढ़ चुके हैं. बट टू मेक श्योर फॉर द यूनिवर्सिटी कि हमको आता है या नहीं आता है, तो इसीलिए यूनिवर्सिटी हमको बायोलॉजी देती है पढ़ने को, इवन दो फिज़िक्स एंड सम यूनिवर्सिटीज़ ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स ऑल्सो. तो बायोलॉजी पढ़ो, थोड़ा अपना वो टाइम पे आप जेनेटिक्स पढ़ लो, वो टाइम पे ये जो जेनेटिक्स और थोड़े जो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स है जो हम लोग स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, अगर क्लियर नहीं तो वो क्लियर कर लो. वी डिडंट गेट टाइम इन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड ईयर क्लासेस ड्यू टू हेक्टिक शेड्यूल. यार फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड ईयर में ही तो टाइम होता है, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड ईयर में टाइम कैसे नहीं होता है? या आई नो there are many lectures till 4 or 5 o'clock, but you have to manage your studies plan accordingly. वो होते हैं, बहुत सारे लेक्चर्स होते हैं जो हम जाके पीछे सोते रहते हैं. सो बेटर वो टाइम पे आप पीछे जाके अपनी पढ़ाई कर लो. हाउ टू मैनेज टाइम बिटवीन रेगुलर क्लासेस एंड प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर MCI. Again, planning is one of the most important habit, you can say, which you will appreciate for the whole lifetime. Plan for everything. Kedari Shetty Vinay Kumar 96 posted has asked my doctor what coaching center suggest for FMG Mr. DAMS. Please tell what material you use. But to know what material I used and how I prepared, check out my screening test journey video. सारे कोचिंग सेंटर इक्वली अच्छे हैं. कुछ कोचिंग सेंटर्स के स्टाफ अच्छे हैं, कुछ के मैनेजमेंट अच्छे हैं, बट आई कैन नॉट कमेंट ऑन दिस. USMLE एग्जाम्स आर 3-step exams, step 1, step 2 and step 3. Step 2 consists of CK and CS, clinical knowledge and clinical skills, and step 1 is basic medical content which we study in first and second year. I really didn't get your third questions. As far as USMLE exam marks are concerned, I will put one picture here, you can screenshot it and we'll come to know how much marks is important to get in respective department. Dr. Sheikh Saista asks, Assalamu alaikum, walaikum assalam. Give us some tips for MCI exam studying, but tension is there is no worry. As far as MCI exam is concerned, I already gave many more tips in my MCI journey video and also some of the questions, so you can just go through it. And inshallah we all clear MCI if we put our hard work and knowledge together. In between heaven, cracking PG entrance is hard. Cracking PG entrance is not hard first of all, and not very hard also. Then what else after MBBS? Of course MBBS करो, उसके बाद PG entrance दो. It is not hard. First of all understand, nothing is hard, nothing is easy. If you will put your hard work, your smart work together, then everything is easy. Since before appearing for USMLE, everyone around me was USMLE is very tough exam. But after appearing, the very next moment after coming from the exam hall, after appearing for USMLE or MCI, I was like, fuck, this was the MCI exam. This was the USMLE exam. I was hearing since long time it is very tough, and I never लाइक एग्जाम के बाद यार समझ में आ जाता है कौन सी चीज़ टफ है, एंड एक्चुअली कोई भी चीज़ टफ नहीं है. डॉक्टर जशोवा doctor, I have heard many people telling to me, so there is no other alternatives for LMR, because LMR is one of the most important area where you can revise your stuff which you tend to forget every time. How to make LMR, last minute revision notes. See, while doing your MCQs or while reading any topic, concentrate on those topics which you tend to forget every time. Write those points in your LMR notes and make sure you revise it again and again. Or Raftar TK asks, Mr. Class, my doctor, Assalamu alaikum, today only I came to know about your videos. Okay, was much inspiring. Thank you. I'm doing 30 years in good. I just want to know about USMLE. I already spoke about it. Heard that there are few steps to clear. Yes. So have you cleared every step? No. I only appeared for step 1. And would like to know your future plans too. My future plan is currently for this year is only internship. I have to focus on my internship this year and couple of exams. By the end of 2018 I have to be clear with one exam and continue with my internship. And yes, thank you. Bhumi Patel asks, Mr. Asma Doctor, which books are important for us to study thoroughly? Since there are many books available in the market, for example FMG Solutions, Arvind Arora, Kamal KV, and Profs by Vivek Jain and Gupta and Garg. So I preferred FMG Solutions, Arvind Arora, Gupta and Garg. These three authors are more than enough for MCQ. Yes, coaching notes are enough, more than enough for MCI. Do focus on your coaching notes, revise it again and again, make short notes from that coaching notes and revise that part. Naimish Gautam asks, Mr. Asma Doctor, any updates on National Licensure Examination and NMC Bill and also its effects on FMGs? NMC Bill already a government released some of the important points from NMC Bill, which some points are agreed and some points are disagreed. For example, bridge course is not happening, and exit exam is happening. I don't know when it's going to apply. And yes, it is good for us FMGs, because before this we only FMGs have to prove ourselves that we are qualified enough to become a doctor in India. But now Indian medical graduate also have to sit for this exam, which is called exit exam, for getting license. So it is good for us also and good for them also. Perfect time to start FMG preparation. There's no any perfect time to start. If you really want to start from the first year, then focus on the university subjects like anatomy, physiology, whatever I said in my previous questions, and do MCQs. Solve as much as MCQs you can from the very first year if you really want to start well from the very first year.